to show you how you can fix your Snapchat memories not working error as a part of our new ongoing Snapchat tutorial series. Let's get started with the tutorial. So let's open up the Snapchat app. So how you can access your memories is if you pull from bottom, you swipe up in your main page, in your camera page, then you'll be into this memories feature. So yeah, as you can see, I have no snaps yet, which is why I do not have any memories. But if you do have snaps sent, you will have them saved in your memories. So sometimes what happens is when Snapchat brings about an update, there's a bug and the app does not really function properly, which is why when the app is updated for some time, this app is not working, so the memory will not appear. So for that, you need to just wait for some time before the app fixes itself. You can also report this problem to Snapchat. And another thing is, if you've not updated the app, this might also occur. So if you've not updated it, please go to Play Store and check if there's any updates with the app that you're missing. As you can see, in the older version of the app, there are more bugs. So make sure you've updated the app. Then what you can also do is, if the problem is still not solved, you go to Settings, and here you will search for your storage settings. If your phone does not have enough storage, then you will not be able to access the memories because it won't be saved to your phone. So you need to make sure that there's enough storage in your phone to store the data that Snapchat wants to store. So most probably it is a problem with the Snapchat app itself, and it will fix itself, I promise. But if it doesn't, what you can do is try uninstalling the app. You just tap on the app and you click on uninstall and then reinstall it from Instagram, and most probably the problem will just go away like that. You might be able to access these memories, but until then, what you can do just is wait it out. And if because sometimes other people's phones are just like working fine and yours is not, just consider waiting it out and you'll get the feature back as well. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you fix your memories not working problem on Snapchat.